Well, welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about this Blackstone grill that I've had. I've been cooking on it quite a bit, and I just finished doing a vid on Pretty Fancy Cooking there. But if you haven't seen that vid, I'll put down a link below. And I'll put a link below to the modification I did to the top of the Blackstone grill. But I've been watching some videos about this Blackstone grill, and everybody seems to have a problem with this grease dripping down the leg and all this kind of stuff, and you know, there's grease trap, and I've seen more modifications like you would not believe. Well, I haven't run into any of them problems, and to tell you the truth, all I did was use a level and a little bit of snips, and I'll show you what that's all about. And I got a little bit of a different mod here to the last one I did on the cover that I put for the Blackstone grill. It's just a handle. I'll show you that too. But yeah, I haven't had the problems that I've seen on YouTube where everybody's got remedies for this dripping down the leg stuff, and well, not your leg, the leg of the Blackstone grill. So I'm going to show you that right now, and you guys let me know what you think, and take a look at the mod that I did. Okay, so here's my little cover. The only thing I did is I just put this handle on so I can take this off. And I'll take that off, and I'll show you what I actually did to improve this. So there we go right there. All it is an empty beer can. Guys, this is very easy. All you do is just cut it like this. You know, just put it in there. I mean, it doesn't got to be fancy. It holds itself in there, and you got to use a tall can, of course. And guys, that is the best mod you can do to this thing, because I don't like that grease tray that they have in there. Who wants to clean that thing out or put a soup can in there and that kind of stuff? I find if you got the beer can, it holds it in there, and of course, you know, it stays in there pretty good. I mean, I don't know what else you could ask for. And as for the grease, I see a lot of people complaining that the grease comes down here and goes through this little spot right here and then drips down the leg. And some have said that it drips down below. Well, I want to show you something here. Right from the manufacturer, if you take a look right there, there's like a dimple right there. Okay, so the grease will come down and sometimes hit here and then drop down here. That's why I have the can in there, and that's why I have this little bit of a lip. And that seems to solve that there. But I'm going to mention something else here. When you put your Blackstone grill on your deck or wherever you're using it, if you just get your level and just have this end here just a tad high, well, then the grease doesn't come down here. The grease will stay over to here, come down here, and drip out properly. So that's the resolve that I've had, and you know what? I think that is the easy way. I mean, just a can like that solves all this. This idea of grease going down the leg and everything else, well, I haven't experienced any of that. So thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, well, you're welcome to subscribe. You guys have a good day. Cheers.